My top tip for someone auditioning for the orchestra should be to think about how to show the panel your skills as an orchestral player, some choices of repertoire and how you present the excerpts.
I think the top tip that I've got for somebody auditioning is to really stay calm. The panel are really friendly.
My top tip for someone auditioning would be to not think that you'll be judged by every single small slip-up that you make. It's really about the entire aura of your performance and your musicality that kind of matters the most.
And play to your strengths, so if you've got a beautiful sound, just really go with what you enjoy doing and find pieces that suit your strengths.
Prepare thoroughly and just play whatever is comfortable for you. Don't try and play something that you've only been playing for a couple of weeks. Play something that you know you're going to be able to perform no matter what the nerves or the situation is going to be.
I would recommend audition even if you don't feel confident or think you're going to get in, because the practice is really good.
Fy nghyngor ar gyfer rhywun sy'n ymgeisio ar gyfer y gerddorfa yw I peidio roi lan, chi'n mynd I fod yn ffab a dylech chi just cadw ymlaen I auditiono.
And practice your scales.